Hi there, how are you doing? If you haven't seen this video where I tested all these products out, it's worth a watch, and it's just to see how good they are at removing and breaking down limescale. What I did at the end of that video was show you how I make my own limescale / bathroom cleaning product. I also use this on steel sinks in kitchens too, and around taps. This is a very effective limescale cleaner, and it's a bit gentler than these others. So let me show you how you can make your own. All you need is a bottle of Harpic Power Plus, or the Domestos one, or some other generic supermarket brand. If you watch the video where I tested these out, you'll know which ones have got quite a high acid content. But I tend to use Harpic Power Plus. What I do is I dilute 10 to 20 ml of this into a spray bottle like this. Considering the 680 ml in here, if I dilute 10 ml in here, that's 68 spray bottles worth. 68 of these out of this. So that's 68 bottles of bathroom cleaner out of one bottle of this. If I want it a bit stronger and I dilate 20 ml in there, then it would make 34 bottles. 34 bottles of spray cleaner out of one bottle of this. How much plastic does that save? How much money does that save, considering each of these cost between £1 and £2 a pop? So 34 quid versus 2 quid, because these cost about £2 a bottle. 34 quid, 2 quid. It's a no-brainer, isn't it? Hope you found this useful. If you have, give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe to the channel, and YouTube will give you a little notification whenever you open it up, whenever I've uploaded another video. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. See you soon. This is still working away from oops, just spilt it everywhere.